This is your guy, Happy O. This tutorial is going to be on strawberry which has eyes and teeth. Without talking much, let's get started. Let me bring in my strawberry. And the person, I'll take the face off from him. This one. Use my pen to trace his face. Nicely and clean. Right click on it. Selection. Make sure this is 0. Okay. Zoom out. Select. Inverse. Rasterize the layer first before we can delete it. Bring the face. Control T to transform it. Scale it up a bit to fit in. Duplicate the face layer 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You bring the face layer beneath the strawberry layer. Change the blending mode of the first layer above the strawberry layer to divide, the second layer to multiply, the third layer to darken, and last layer to soft light. Create marks for all of them. Select your pen tool. Make sure your layer mask is selected, and also make sure this is black. Clean up the edges. Since it's multi-layered, you can see the changes for now. Create marks for the strawberry layer. Zoom into the eye. Make sure you're on black still. Decrease the brush layer. The brush size, sorry. Clean the eyes. Come to the teeth. Do same. Voila, this is a strawberry with eyes and teeth. Very nice.